Santir Bazar Block Committee ni Luazima by kaisa leadership training program thaijak kauro, and at the same time Greater Tipraland ni awareness no bibo kop sajaka or kop salaimun pandao chini juga bedek ni chini adongro tongo zonal ni chini South Zonal ni Vice Chairman Horen Nudiyang Moro Singbai Manjak Phaijak chini Kori Bodol ni leaders ro employees ro all senior leaders Zara Santir Bazar block area ni klayo borok dini oro Phaijak Painai Nagar Panchayat election no preparedness nani bakak gobo jeng kogok salaika tei Delhi movement to thangnani importance tamo Delhi movement thangai chini tamo advantage tong bonobo jeng tini cherei gahamklai salaika leadership nan bagai tama samung chini tangthai we must know about our history, we should be disciplined, and we also should respect our senior leaders. We should maintain the hierarchy, how to behave with the government officers, everything. Chini jara resource person Phaijak tini forum speech bisingte akok rogno saka, and also I would like to tell you all, chini district president botongo, block president tongo, working president tongo, and all our party functionaries Santir Bazar block committee ni borok jottun tini oro upasthit tongo okokno salaino jeng tini meeting conclude laika je jeng nayo je thamsani bisingtino chini constitutional rights jeng adai khlaimannai thamsang nangke tipramo thano jeng krakma khainai Abubagra jengbai chini party chairman, he is the chief of our party. Bini leadership jeng thamsang ke je chini constitutional rights jeng mannai. So we invite them. Dibram tongma slai Tipramo thau phai Tipramo thano krak. Leadership camp lai chini available the resource the leaders tongma roglo jeng tebo boroglo grow klainan bagi nurture klainan bagi samungotang jingrom nai.